This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Download that to the computer, your computer when you get home.
Yeah.
Yeah, good for you.
Now you got the water off, right?
Yep.
And you're saying it's dripping bad?
It drips. It doesn't bad. It's not bad, but you can hear it clink, click, click. That's it.
See, the thing is, this handle's so small.
I get it. I get it tight.
This handle's so small, you don't have a lot of leverage here.
Yeah.
And this is a compression type of valve. Let's take it apart and let's see what we can do.
I get it tight. Before it started leaking, she did it no problem. So something changed.
Maybe it just needs a new spindle, but that's what they call a C5 spindle.
I replaced the seats in this. I pulled it out. I was able to do it now. This thing, yeah. Like I said, I can. Plus, I don't like touching it because I break shit too easy.
You do?
Oh yeah, I'm not. I tell you, I'm not. I'm all thumbs.
I don't know if I'm even gonna take that off. We'll see what the story is. How many thumbs you got?
12.
You're all thumbs.
2 extra.
Yeah, that's an old Symmons, man. That's an old bugger. Look at that.
No, what's that screw to? This one here. Oh, it's touching the wall. Makes sense. It's an oldie but goodie. It works fine. You can see what I tried doing. I said, that ain't taking it off.
You tried taking it off?
Yeah, the bonnet, obviously.
That wouldn't come off?
That didn't come off, no. Because it's not supposed to, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to come off. Wow. Wow.
That's what comes off, huh?
That's what comes off, supposedly.
I thought it was this thing. He would have bought this thing.
No, that's just to tighten the pack, and this is going to come off of here. I'll have to get my cheetah bar on that bitch. Not good.
If that comes off that melody, you see it, I'm an expert.
That's screwed in right there, guys. See, that's got to come off to get the spindle out.
Oh, all right. You didn't pull out with it.
No.
I thought if you just...
Maybe if I tap on it. I'm going to charge you extra for watching me.
Yeah, get an education. Don't worry, you won't have any competition with me, I can tell you that.
Wow. Oh, that's on there. Let me get my pipe on this thing, and we'll give it the old Gundy. See if it comes off. We'll give it the old lever action. See if it comes off. I'll give this the old, there it comes. Give it the old, how you doing, mama? Give it the old 2-foot extension on that bitch. That's what they call a cheetah.
Yep, it works.
That's what they call a cheetah. Had to give it the old how you doing to get it off of there.
I don't feel so bad now knowing I couldn't get that off because I was on the right track with it. Wrong street.
Oh, you just needed a little bit more Gundy on that. Wow. That's a... Wow, look at that old seat. I can put a new spindle in it.
Just a spindle, right? You don't replace the seats, do you?
The seats, I mean, I don't have them seats. They look okay, though. Boy, that's an old bitch. We'll put a new spindle in it. I mean, that's all I can do. The seats all look okay. They don't look pitted. You want to take a look at it?
No, I'm just looking. You kidding me? I wouldn't know one thing from another. I'm just looking to see what you're looking at.
Yeah, it looks good there. You know, so, but look at them seats though. Them are old, big ass seats.
Been there forever,
I
right?
never get them. You never get them seats. Can't get them anymore. I mean, it's an old C5. See the heavy, thick. That's what they call a C5. See how big the head is?
Yeah.
I got one. Had one in the truck.
I figured you would, because you're usually pretty well stocked. That's why I asked you.
Let me see. We'll put a new one in. We'll put a new one in there. C5.
Lucky they still make them, huh?
Well, yeah, they still make them, but it's not a standard apparatus. You know, it's not common. Most of these valves have been sent to the graveyard. Well, peeing on me. Boy, that's an old valve. It's tight. Oh, when you first set it, you gotta kind of set the gaskets, you know, so it's gonna be tight at first. But
Yep.
we'll get the trim all back on it, and then it's a small handle. That's why I don't like this handle. You get no leverage. You understand?
Yeah.
It's kind of that's an old one. That's back when Moby Dick was a minnow.
Yep.
This was installed back when Moby Dick was a minnow. Ever hear that saying? No?
Oh, yeah.
That's an old Symmons. It's almost as old as your slippers.
Yep. It's probably a couple of years older than me, because I don't know how old I was when I was born, and when that old house was.
Oh, so this was your father's house?
Oh yeah, I grew up in this house.
Oh, no kidding. So I'm going to leave it a little bit past, because it's going to want to do is it's going to want to go a little bit more, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Want me to turn the water on?
not until I get out of the shower here.
I figured you should cool down.
No, hang on a minute. Let me get out of here first, and then you. At first, we gotta snug it. We gotta make it fit. So turn on the water, and when you first put these in, you gotta kind of set them. You gotta make them tight. New gasket, right? The seats looked okay in there. I don't have them seats anyway. This is an old tub. I might take a dive in the pool before I leave. It's hot out. It don't look like it's dripping. You know, once the head drains, because it's loaded with water,
Yeah.
it should be all right. Like I said, it's a small handle. I don't like that. There's really not a lot of leverage there. It don't look like it's dripping. That's the best we're gonna do anyway. You know, you can't get seats for this thing. I mean, worst comes to worst, we could go in through the back and replace that valve, but
Right.
it looks like it's fine. But when you tighten it, it's a compression valve. You have to tighten it,
Yeah.
or it's gonna drip. All right.
Sounds good.
Turn left to Russell's Mills Road, then take the third right.